So it looks like this vent right here might be where the grease is coming out from. Because you see the trail of grease up the wall and up to the ceiling part all over here. And I do see some grease that there might be inside of the exhaust. So not to say that no grease is coming out here, but what I wonder is if it's this exhaust fan that's blowing out the grease, why is there no grease on the fan shroud right here, which is directly in front of the vent? There's no grease right here at all. There's no grease. It's just it's dry. I mean, I would think that if grease were coming out of the exhaust fan and it was blowing it straight out, there would be some grease on this shroud right here. But there is no grease. You see the dirt on the coil itself. Yeah, you see that. But I don't see any grease up here nor in the back of it. But I do see the grease coming out of this vent, going up the wall and up there. So I don't know, and I'm not sure if changing the direction of this vent, if that'll prevent the condenser from getting dirty. I'm not sure. I mean, I guess it won't hurt anything, but not sure. Seems like it's coming from here. And then whatever comes out of here, the fan it blows it, I guess.